Hello guys, if you're here, you probably want to know how to make money with Bitcoin. And guess what? It's easier than you think it is. In today's video, we'll break down 4 simple ways you can start earning with Bitcoin right now. No complicated terms, no fluff, just straightforward methods. So let's get straight into it. First up, the most basic but still one of the most effective methods: buying and holding, or as the crypto world called it, hodling. This strategy is all about buying Bitcoin at a good price and holding onto it for the long term. Over the years, Bitcoin has historically increased in value, making it a favorite for people who want to profit from the price appreciation. You don't need to be an expert trader to hodl. Just buy Bitcoin, store it securely in a wallet, and wait for the price to go up. Of course, like any investment, there's risk. And Bitcoin can go down in value. But long-term holders have been rewarded handsomely. The key is not to panic during dips and trust in Bitcoin's potential over time. The next method is staking. While you can't directly stake Bitcoin like you can with other cryptocurrencies, there are platforms that allow you to earn rewards by staking Bitcoin-backed assets. Some services let you convert Bitcoin into a form that can be staked, and then you earn interest on it over time. For example, platforms like BlockFi or Celsius allow you to earn interest on Bitcoin holdings by lending them out. In return, you get paid interest, sometimes up to 6% or more annually. Think of it as a way to make your Bitcoin work for you while you hold it. Sounds good, doesn't it? Another way to make money with Bitcoin is through lending. There are several platforms where you can lend your Bitcoin to other users and earn interest in return. These platforms act like a middleman, matching lenders with borrowers who need Bitcoin for trading or other purposes. The best part? You can earn interest without selling your Bitcoin. This is ideal if you believe in Bitcoin's long-term value, but still want to earn passive income in the short term. Popular lending platforms include BlockFi, Nexo, and uHodler, and they offer different interest rates based on the platform and the amount you lend. Just be sure to choose platforms with strong security and insurance features. Well, now this one might surprise you. Using Bitcoin for payments. More and more businesses are accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment, both online and offline. Whether you're buying a cup of coffee or shopping for tech gear, you can use your Bitcoin to make purchases without converting it to cash. And here's the bonus. Some merchants offer discounts or special deals for customers paying with Bitcoin. This means you could save money while you're using your Bitcoin for practical things. By doing this, you're essentially spending your Bitcoin rather than holding it, but you're still part of the broader crypto ecosystem. It's a way to make Bitcoin more useful in everyday life while also supporting the growth of the network. But we also need to talk about the risks. Bitcoin is volatile, as we all know. Its price can go up or down quickly, and there are no guarantees of profit. When staking or lending Bitcoin, there's also the risk of platform failures or losing access to your funds if the platform gets hacked. So always do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose in the worst case. Make sure you use secure platforms, store your Bitcoin in a secure wallet, and remember, patience is key. Bitcoin isn't a get-rich-quick thing, it's an investment for the future. So keep that in mind. So now let me know, which of these methods do you think you'll try to make money with Bitcoin? Are you more interested in holding it long term, Or maybe you're excited and try to stake or lend? Drop your comments below, I would love to hear them. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.